Hello everyone, my name is Burhanuddin Abdakhatov and here is Sharif John Daniel. Today we will present our dream hotel project. Our hotel is called Nature Escape Resort, and the idea of our hotel is to help people relax and enjoy nature. Our logo uses green colors and natural symbols like tree and mountain. So, mission, vision, and values. So, our mission is to provide a peaceful and eco-friendly experience, and our vision is to become a popular eco resort in the future. Our main value are comfort, sustainability, and good service. So location and site. So our resort is located near mountains and the lake. We choose this place because it's quite clean and beautiful. The site is medium. It's not too crowded. Next slide. Target customers. Our target customers are couples, families, and tourists. So these people want to relax and escape from city life. So many of them prefer eco-friendly resorts. So, product and service philosophy. So our service is based on three ideas: why, what, and how. Why? To make guests feel relaxed. What? We offer rooms and food and activities. How? We provide friendly service and personal care.
So I'm going to continue with the facilities and amenities. My name is Daniel. So let's start. Our resort offers many facilities to make every guest feel comfortable and happy. We have a relaxing spa where guests can rest and enjoy different treatments. There is also a swimming pool for both fun and relaxation, and a restaurant where guests can enjoy fresh and delicious food. For guests who like to stay active, we offer activities such as hiking, biking, and yoga. So the design of our resort is modern, but also close to nature. We use natural materials like wood and choose eco-friendly products. This helps us create warm and peaceful and healthy environment for our guests. So next one is it's about our staff. Our staff are one of our biggest strengths. They're friendly, helpful, and professional. So our hotel is mid to high price range. It may not be the cheaper option, but we focus on quality and comfort. We want our guests to feel that they receive good value for their money. So next slide. So we care deeply about the environment. Sustainability is a key part of our work. We use solar energy to reduce our impact on the nature. We recycle water, save energy, and try to avoid using plastics. So next slide. So in the future, we want to grow our resort and reach more people. We plan to open new location in other countries. Our long-term goal is to become a well-known eco-friendly brand that people trust and remember. So thank you.